Shalini is doing a commercial apprenticeship. A respectable appearance in an office environment is very important, so she shouldn't apply too much makeup when getting ready for work in the morning. Natural shades of beige and brown are subtle but flattering, and the perfect choice for business makeup. This look is called nude and takes 5 minutes. First, we shape the eyebrows. Hold the skin taut using 2 fingers and always pluck in the direction of the hair growth. This works best and barely hurts. If you're unsure about where to pluck, you can use the following 3 pointers for orientation. Find the beginning of the brow by holding a pen at the side of the nose above the inner corner of the eye. The highest point of the arch is pretty much right above the pupil, and the end of the brow is the line extension from the side of the nose to the outer corner of the eye. Using these 3 pointers while plucking will result in a classically shaped brow, which leaves room for the eye and visually opens it. No makeup without skincare. After cleansing the skin, we apply moisturizing cream so that concealer and powder can be blended more evenly. When using concealer, the color must be just right. Under no circumstances should the color be darker than your own skin color. This would not only give the appearance of face painting, but also leave gaudy lines around the ears and hairline. We conceal dark rings around the eyes, redness or small moles by first dabbing the concealer onto these areas. And then, using either a small sponge or your fingers, work it into the skin. With a large brush, we generously dust powder over the entire face. The same rule applies for powder. In order for the makeup to look natural, the colour must always exactly match the skin colour. The best way to apply powder is with a brush, which will leave a beautiful structured look on the skin and also makes the blending process easier. Now, using a smaller brush, work on the details. Then apply a thick layer of loose powder to the area under the eye. This will keep the eye area free of falling specks of colour and will be removed again later. First, we apply shimmering pearlescent eyeshadow beneath the eyebrow as a highlight. Nude is the name of this look, which gives you a natural appearance. We use an assortment of soft colours which match your own skin colour, everything from pearl to cream and beige to light brown. Light brown eyeshadow with a touch of gold shimmer is applied to the flexible eyelid. We encircle the eye and use the same colour eyeshadow to draw a line below the lash line. Using a rosy beige-brown blush, which we'll also use for the cheeks, We blend the edges together and let the colour softly taper off towards the temples. Remove the powder under the eye and spread the remainder over the face. After the eyeshadow, we work on the lashes. An eyelash curler enhances the upward curl of the eyelashes and makes the eyes appear much brighter. Now mascara is applied to the eyelashes. For understated office makeup, regular mascara without any special effects is sufficient. Now use a special comb to separate the stuck-together lashes. The cheeks are only freshened up a bit. Using a large brush, we dust the same shade of brown that we used for the eye makeup around the highest point of the cheekbone. The lips only need a hint of colour. For example, a light pink lip gloss as shown here. Now the understated nude look is done and takes no more than 5 minutes to apply in the morning. If you have a date after work, you don't have to reapply your makeup. With a few easy strokes, you can turn your understated day makeup into a more noticeable evening one. A shimmering shade of amber enhances the colour of the cheeks. Using the same colour, freshen up the bottom part of the brow a little. The lips should also be accentuated more. A dark red gloss spices up the colour used during the day. And that's that.